We're going to find the area of the region shared by a circle and a cardioid. I did a quick sketch of it. So the green is your circle and the blue here is your cardioid. We have 2 points of intersection right here, and I just sketched it. I already kind of know what it looks like, so it's not a perfect graph. But to get the points of intersection, you just set these two polar curves equal to each other. I'll do this real quick. So divide both sides by 2, so you get 1 equals 1 minus cosine of theta. So basically you get negative cosine of theta equals 0, and that happens here, right, where we have it. So that's theta would be pi divided by 2 and 3 pi divided by 2. That's where cosine is 0. All right, that's just a quick little review there. Now let's get to the question at hand. So when you look at it, we have, I'm going to draw this line here. What we're looking for is this shaded region here, and the border of it is from the cardioid. That's going to be going from 0 to pi divided by 2. We also have this shaded region here. Let me use purple for that. And the border for this is the circle. Now this is going from pi divided by 2 to pi. And then, of course, that is just this first half of it. So we have this half here. We also have this lower half in this area. So all I'm going to do is find this area and multiply it by 2 to get the full shared region. So we're going to set it up as the integral from 0 to pi divided by 2. This is the one, the border is the cardioid. So you're going to write this using this formula, 1/2 times 2 times 1 minus cosine of theta squared d theta. And then we have this part, the purple part, that's going to be plus the integral from pi divided by 2, let's put that here, to pi. And that's going to be 1/2, using our formula, of 2 squared d theta. And again, we're going to take the whole thing and multiply it by 2. Now looking at this, when you multiply by 2, these 1/2s will disappear. So I can kind of cancel those out and rewrite this as the integral from 0 to pi divided by 2. And then I'm going to square all of this. So this is going to be 4. I'm going to, this squared is going to be 1 minus 2 cosine of theta plus cosine squared of theta d theta. All right, and then we still have this plus pi divided by 2 to pi, and this is going to be 4 d theta. Before we move on, I want to just look at this piece right here. We're going to use this trig identity because it makes it easier to integrate. So you think about it, what we're going to have is, and I'm going to squeeze it in here, we have 4. I'm just going to simplify this real quick. So we have 4 times 1 minus 2 cosine of theta plus 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 2 theta. And this is all multiplied by 4. So what you're going to end up getting is 4 minus 8 cosine of theta. This is going to be 2 So we're going to multiply this. It's going to be plus 2 cosine of 2 theta. So that's just that little tidbit. So on the next slide, I'm going to add the 2 and the 6 together and make this look a lot better than I have. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to get the integral from 0 to pi divided by 2. And this is going to be 4 plus 2 was 6 minus 8 sine of theta. No, it's plus cosine of theta, sorry. Cosine of theta plus 2 cosine of 2 theta. All right, and then we have d theta. And then also we had our integral from pi divided by 2 to pi of 4 d theta. Now that we have that, let's integrate all of this. So we're going to get 6 theta minus 8 sine of theta plus sine of 2 theta, and we're evaluating this from 0 to pi divided by 2. For this piece, we're going to get plus 4 theta, and we're evaluating this from pi divided by 2 to pi. Okay, substituting everything in, we're going to get 6 times pi divided by 2 minus 8 sine of pi divided by 2 plus sine of 2 times pi divided by 2. That's this piece, plus 4 pi minus 4 times pi divided by 2. All right, let's see what we get. This is 3 pi. This is minus 8, because this is 1. This is 0. Plus 4 pi minus 2 pi. So we're going to end up getting, this is 2 pi. So we have 3 pi plus 2 pi is 5 pi, and we have minus 8. So this is your area of the shared region. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.